He's old enough to live on his own. I know. Takeoff or an afternoon takeoff because it interfered with both. So I just ended up taking the whole day and seeing the sun. So it was wonderful. And we also had dinner at Thanksgiving. Okay? So I asked you to take a look at radio bells. And while I'm waiting for Countess to answer those questions, and Countess, just unmute type done, we're gonna look at radio bells, and all of these are radio bells. Okay?
Before you look, can I show mine?
You can. Well, let me, while I got this going on, you can go ahead and do the last one to share, but this one is the easiest. It's like making a snowflake. If you've ever made a snowflake before, except that the difference is there's a little snowman, so they use a coin, 2 coins, and they trace around it, and it looks like a little snowman, all right?
This looks so easy.
And you know what? I didn't want to make it I was just trying to reinforce what radio balance looks like. But I know that last year had snowflakes, so I'm like, I don't want to make the same exact thing. So after she did the little snowman, she just did that little bird shape, okay? And then she puts X's in, and that's where you get rid of the X's part. And then you open it up, and there is a little snowflake, okay? And you can color each one. Now, next step, or the next one, is challenge 2, and a paintbrush, right? So that was radio balance. This is radio balance, and if you look there, the paintbrush is letting the blue color bleed. And how you do that, you have to do how to draw a snowflake. You just want to keep it flat and use paint. And then draw the snowflake. With the snowflake, just a wet paintbrush and water. And just the tip of your paintbrush, and then you add blue paint. And then the blue paint sort of fills where it's wet and creates that cool bleeding technique. Right? So again, that is radio balance. Right? This one, that one's paint. This one is radio balance with, I think, yarn. Okay? So we got some yarn and a big plate. And just follow those steps, and there is a radio balance artwork. And you basically just imagine the sunshine is a circle in the center, and then the sun rays coming out, and that's radio balance as well. Okay, so number 4, challenge 4. This one took longer, so it is harder, and so, and I figured squares, but they're just similar to Post-it notes, okay? So you just fold the Post-it note in half, and then you fold it like you're making a paper airplane kind of thing, all right? And you fold up the other side. This one, it looks like a kite. Alright, but I realized this case does not like work on it. So I never did this kind of stuff because I just can't do it. So I always offer it as a choice, but some of you love it, so therefore I didn't want to deny you not but you have to do this many times. Alright? So to make one, I'm just showing you this. And it's almost done here. It's going to end up looking like a kite. And then once you do it once, I done, and it looks really cool. It looks like
You
that.
said it. You said
Something
it.
bad is bound to happen
Oh,
to me.
I did. All right. Then this is
Why
from
I feel this way, I
this is with a
don't
white
know.
crayon and watercolor paint and a plate
think
with
of her
half a
so
plate on a
much,
plate, but it
it
does
drives
look like a
me
radio
crazy.
drawing because it's a circle. And they just make a plus with a white crayon, and then make an X with a white crayon, and then make little V's on top of the plus and the X, and then you just paint over it, and you have a snowflake. And I really want you to make some art for decoration for your house, and so that's why I chose this. All right, the last one is pipe cleaners. Okay, we got pipe cleaners. Here we go, and we just use a ruler to help space it out, and then you just slide the ruler in and twist, slide the ruler in and twist all the way through the two pipe cleaners, and then pull them apart, and then pull them together, and there's another way to make a radio snowflake. So
I
whatever.
don't know if I have wire cutters though.
Well, you don't need any wire cutters. There's no wire cutters there.
Oh, pipe. I don't know if I have pipe.
Well, all of them. So maybe you have a toilet paper roll. Okay, you would cut. You got that. So you take scissors though, and you would cut them into little pieces, and then make a radio design artwork like a snowflake. Just squish a little bit, and those are all in the little closet. And look at it. All right. And then if you have a piece, you can do the design of it. And then the last one I want to show you is with again Post-it notes.
So
And
sad,
this
my
one
feet, my
comes out
clothes run.
and
I just hope she don't wanna
alright, counts are
Yeah,
I do have add one. And so you would just follow the directions to make folds. This is similar to the other one, and then when you're all done, you have and look over here. Once you click on my link, hopefully you are able to see more over on the side. And so if you're like, this one looks like more fun, hopefully you can just click on it. And you don't have to use my example with this.
Why I feel this way, I don't know.
Very good. Now count this one. Do you have it done?
I think of her so much, it drives me crazy. I just don't
Thumbs up. Are you all done with what I asked you to do?
No.
Okay. Did you start it? Did you click start? Thumbs up, thumbs down. I can hear you. Okay, so can you click it in the private chat?